Alright, so this how-to is going to be quite similar to the Baby Milo how-to, but to make things easier for you, instead of drawing a box this time, we're going to draw a rectangle. So once again, disclaimer, you do not have to stick to these measurements, it's only to show you the scale of my drawing. Alright, so these lines aren't all the way straight, they sort of lean inwards, so here's a guide to show you how that looks.
What's your deal? What's your You smell like the hills. Trick or treat, oh, he messed with Grim Reaper. Oh, blood dripping, I'm sniffing. Oh, Scarlet Kiss, call the clean. Oh, run it back, get the bleach. Get cool, you can't escape. Try pull me down, cause it can't relate. You need to wake up and go wash your face. I'm serious. They try to value me. Put the prices, put the tags on me. What I'm tagging to you.
Alright, so that's the basic outline of the body done. Now's the time to put the clothes on. You know, it's time to get drips. Time to drip on them. You can add whatever clothes you want. I'ma draw what clothes I want. I'll probably speed this up because you guys are probably not drawing the same thing.
Running around like I said that please. You ain't talking, I remember me. Never those times you remembered me. I've been sipping for eternity. Never resembling you. I've been sipping on And he was pushing that choco. 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 And he was pushing that. Re-up like every single day. Re-up every day. Come and get this cake, I've been recognizing all the way. Ooh, yeah, I've been rapping all from night to day. Get this cake, yeah. Get this cake, yeah. I've been saying, yeah. Get this cake, yeah. Get this cake, yeah. Get this cake, yeah.
Bust a move in the air, suplex on the sheets, you scared. I'm hype when they move quiet. Ice got Gaina, Ice got Gaifa. They roll back, they don't care. Got character and some flair. Vince said Ric Flair, I give them a Rick stare. Lift up when I kick, moon gravity things. Step beside the ring, floating in the air, zone in the ends.
Bedroom, how I feel, how I feel.
So here I'm just going over everything with a fine line, then I'm going to go over the outside lines with a bold marker.
You really do see visions turn to reality.
Hey yo, DJ, let's go. Lit, lit, lit.
So when you get to this point, just rub out all of the guidelines that you don't need. Don't color the whole shirt if you're going to color it a different color, because we're still going to draw the head to which overlaps the shirt. So again, I'm drawing a custom shirt of mine. Draw whatever you want to draw. If you want to draw a jumper, just extend the line down to the hands. Same with a hoodie. Draw what you want to draw, drip how you want to drip.
To the north, cause I'm cold like a schemo. Fresh like I'm Eric. They love my stilo. I got the juice. If you need evidence.
evidence, look at me, baby. I am the proof, others are lying. I am the truth, and it's all naked. I'm talking nude, and I'm finesse, and I am flex. Call that flenex, I'm never stressing. Lord on my side, man, I'm dripping in blessings. Bye, bye, bye to you fakes like NSYNC. My crew.
So I've decided to add shadows to this drawing. The original Bape / Baby Milo characters don't have any shadows. They're literally just one flat color. But you know how we come in on this channel, man. Like, when I draw something, I'ma draw it the best you've ever seen it. So yes sir. So I am gonna go back and put shadows over the trousers and the shoes as well. Of course, you're not supposed to do this because the ink might run and stuff like that. So ideally put in your shadows before you outline anything.
Up with the master, he coming back soon. You better get saved or you will be doomed. I'm so fresh, man, I'm dripping swaggy. What the my bread and nush, man, I got all the soup. I control like the cruise on my crew is legit. Sounding so late, I might blow up the fuse. Come to the south, I'll show you all the views. Come to the south, I'll show you how we do. Myself and James, still rich and true. BEVODN ain't nothing new, you know it. Lit, 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 lit.
So here, as always, once the ink has dried and you finish coloring, we're going in with the outline. Leave the top part because again we're going to draw in the head, so we don't want the outline overlapping that.
All of my brothers say up. You ain't road, that's hella stunts. I'm calling out these Donny's bluffs. Pocahontas, she be buff. I be doing hella stuff. I be out there on my days off, getting paid off, doing enough. Call me Hef, hey, Presidente, Escobar in the lab, Don Julio.
So with the fine line, I'm just like neatening up some of the lines, and then I'm making some lines thicker on the inside.
It's my name that you say, whoa. It's the realest that you ever seen. Driveway full of foreigns. Bust down on the AP, that's VVS, important. Thank God that he's great. Man, thank God that I'm great. God made me in his own image, so imagine me on the stage. I got the game, let's own it, whoa. These niggas know me. I got the sauce, the juice, whoa. And now they up on me. I got the game, let's own it.
Whoa. You must have thought I forgot those gold rings. No sir, no sir. You know, I gotta get those gold rings on. I'm gonna put a little bust down on myself too, because I always wanted the bust down. Let's go.
Pull up the game, let's own it, whoa. These know me. I got the sauce, the juice, whoa. And now they up on me, I got the game, let's own it. Flamboyant John Gaddy, presidential like a rollie. I run the game, that's a pony.
So one good tip I can give you when it comes to drawing, whatever you add on, always think of if there'll be shadows, blah blah blah. So for example, these rings, I'm going to draw shadows on the outlines, and really I don't even need to go over it with a fine line because the shadows already make the gold stand out a lot more. I'm going to anyway, but that's just a tip.
Cause I bring the heat like a Mexico, WrestleMania like my name is Chris Jericho. Ooh, kill him like my name is Terry, yo. I might go ham like I'm Piccolo. I got my tunes on the radio. I might just blow up your stereo. I got the heat like a patio. Ring up session, then do cameo. Seasoning at the season. I'm the best.
So the head is pretty easy to do. I mean, everything's kind of like boxy. The shape is kind of like a hexagon at the bottom, and then the lines just go all the way up outwards. Kind of just follow what I do here, and I'm sure it makes sense that way. So the next thing I'll usually do is just to like find the hairline, just so I know where everything else goes on the face. So yeah, obviously this is like a super serious part of the video. You know, I gotta take my time to get the shape up right. I gotta bring the ruler in. So just to make things simple, all the facial features I'll just draw with a basic line. Then I'll thicken it after, or do whatever I need to do. Alright, so this is pretty much the basic layout of these Baby Milo characters. This is actually like Pharrell's layout. All I'm really going to change here is the nose, and then obviously I'm going to add a few features to make it look more like myself. So you can do the same, just search it up on Google. There's a whole different bunch of noses you can draw.
Tryna be higher, put your sleeves higher, put your sleeve higher. Remember that chick from the scene, oh yeah. Couldn't even talk for the street, oh yeah. Oh, why is she calling for me, oh yeah. Are you taking the piss and the friend is recording for me, oh yeah. These are fronting too much, I'm not playing. Coming with all these types of conversations. Like one day you dropping that, oh yeah. Mumbling, oh yeah. Cruising the ship and I sky, yeah. Jump start, then I stun, talking about it,
So here, as you can probably tell, I'm blending a fade. I'm using two different grays, 5 and a 4, so dark into light and then into the actual skin tone.
And I'm still sipping on tequila, yeah. When I run the sky, you will see, and I'm blow my pipe for no pity. I ain't got no time for no reason. Make sure my hometown stays seasoned. Southeast, northwest, all the seasons. I really.
So obviously my hair is high, so what I've done is I put a guide underneath it, and then I put like curls on top. Obviously, if your hair's low, keep it low. If your hair's straight, make the line straight.
Tryna see higher, tryna be higher. Put your sleeves higher, put your sleeve higher. Remember that chick from the scene, oh yeah. Couldn't even talk for the street, oh yeah. Oh, why is she calling for me, oh yeah. Are you taking the piss and the friend is recording for me, oh yeah.
For the cheese, for the cheese, for the cheddar, got the cheese, for the cheddar, with the steez, for the cheddar, now I need. Sissy, can you please sell for me?
So yeah, man, it's that time again. It's a rack. This is probably one of my favorite videos I've done in a while, to be honest. For the OG subscribers, you know this has been my thumbnail since I like started YouTube, except I'm wearing that astronaut suit. But yeah, man, for the first time in like 3 years, I might actually change my profile picture to this. So comment below, like, let me know, do you reckon I should change it to this? Should I keep it as it was? And yeah, man, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. As always, share the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.